created today. So my dear children, did you enjoy this quick recipe of making yummy sandwiches? Right? So our bite-sized sandwich or our smiley sandwich are ready to serve. Now what are you going to do? I want everybody to hold their dish in their hands. Ask Mama Daddy to click good pictures and please share it with us. If you want to win our amazing hampers, then don't miss a chance, children. Become a little master chef, make yummy dishes, and you have to share this smiley sandwich pictures with us. Okay? You can tag us on Instagram and on Facebook too. So it's time to say bye-bye to Komal Ma'am. See you all soon.